substantially.
La Kaweh lama ya ke Jingiakob nya kali ke Northeastern Region ka rally hashlong kum shibenta jong ka Special Outreach Program ban kan mau burom ya ke jingdap nyupusan snem ke National Cadet Corps lani NCC. Aba penne ya ka jinglong kensai ke jinglong nongelam ke jinglong Kaweh bat ke mensiem jing ri hapdeng ki samla kane ka rally ke longkum ke rensan ban wanra ya ka jingeteli bat ka jingmelian babaha hapdeng ki nongishim benta. Kila don aspa nyo teli ki school, sispa san puai teli ki college, bat sapu teli ki district, na ki riu teli ki jela, ka than shatai la mingi ki lawan bani shimbenta hakane ka Northeastern Region ka rally. Umintirang ba ka jela u Conrad Sangma haka po ba u Kaweh ya ka lama, ula ai kuble ya ka jing shakri ke NCC ya ka ri, haka ban ai mensia mi ki samla bakin long ki ba don akor, ki ba shakri hok bat ki ba ya teli.
That our biggest challenge is our youth and the biggest opportunity is our youth. It depends on how we shape them. If we can't shape them and we can't channelize their energy, it will be a destructive force. But if we can channelize it and put it in a constructive way, it will be the most transforming force that the world will see. And that is the goal that as the Chief Minister I have, and I'm sure that NCC also is in the same thought process, and therefore it is very, very necessary that the biggest resource after time, the biggest resource which is our youth, has to be shaped and nurtured in the right way. And